Hello YouTube, welcome back. In this video I'll show you the location, removal and installation of the turn signal relay on your Suzuki Wagon R.
In this Suzuki Wagon R, the fuse box is located under the driver's side of the dashboard. You need to remove the steering column cover by removing the screw and prying out the cover.
Remove the screw turning counterclockwise using a Phillips head screwdriver.
Also remove this trim clip. Gently but firmly pull up the cover so as to release the clips. The steering column cover is secured by 4 clips. Remove the antenna feeder cable. These are the 4 clips securing the steering column cover which I had mentioned before. This is where the fuse box is located. I have switched on the turn signal indicator and the clicking sound that you hear is from this relay. To remove the turn signal relay, pull it out from the socket like so. This turn signal relay has 8 pins. Now to put back the turn signal flasher relay, whether you are just replacing your damaged relay
or you are upgrading it to an adjustable LED turn signal relay, you need to install a flasher like so. Installation is the reverse of removal. I'll quickly go through the installation. Put back the antenna feeder cable onto the slots of the steering column cover. Now put back the steering column cover like so. Put back the trim clip and the screw securing the steering column cover. Hope this video is of help. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Ride safe.